Hey, I don't know too much. Just cut the beat up.
What's up, y'all? This is Grams from Legendary Inc. You can call me Shane. I'm down in Washington, D.C. Been doing photography since 2009, 2010. Started going pro, been published or paid since 2011. This is going to be a video to you guys and me giving back to you guys how you can do the craft, live your everyday life, be a father or mother, work, also reap the benefits of your passion and be a photographer. So let's get into that. First things first, I have my bag for y'all. Everybody needs a really good bag. My bag on the side here love my bag, has a tripod strap on the side. Another one here, you can go put the tripod down in. Then you have this little pocket down here. You can fit the legs of the tripod down in there. That little section is really good to me for security on the top part, just because if you have your tripod pressed against here, you can't see the zippers. Boom. It also has on the inside of this thing, not gonna tell you what all the stuff is on the inside yet, but laptop sleeve here, two little pockets up here, if you can see those, two little pockets, and a little net in there so you can keep like little knickknacks and things like that. The bottom portion. Inside the bottom portion, so I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different compartments. This is where my flash goes. Normally lens and filter go up here, lens and filter go down here, lens and filter go over here. My battery pack, LED, and bracket go over. I normally have some bungee cords, just random bungee cords. Actually found these bungee cords when me and my boo was over at the airport. Actually, in one of my last videos, you'll be able to see where that pier is, and this beautiful pier. I'm actually going to do a shoot there soon. Don't steal my spot yet. You can wait till, you know.
Hey, I don't know too much. Just cut the beat up.
I have my cameras. I have my D56 100, 18 to 55 millimeter lens, what you're looking through right now, with Vivitar filters, 55 millimeter on the face of it, so that you guys can see the blacks are a little deeper, whites are a little wider, and it has a little crisper feel. And I also have a 70 to 300, which I can whip out, show you guys real quick. I want to show you guys a real cute trick too. I don't know if you guys ever get any of these little, bracelets? Okay, there it is. You guys can see it now. These little bracelets, and if you have one of these cleaning cloths, those lentless cleaning cloths, you guys have one of those. If you don't have like a lens cap or something like that to put on one of the back of one of your lenses, or to put over the face of your camera, I normally just take it like that. And just drop the little bracelet around it. Just like that. And you keep it clean like that. But yeah, this 70 to 300, really good telephoto lens. Even though it's a kit, it is really good. I like it, you know, especially when I go out to go shoot some geese. You know, don't call Peter, but when I went to go out shoot some geese, I scared the geese and made them fly away. That was a really good shot. If you guys see that, go check the last video. You can go see that. But yeah, my D5600 kit was about $799. On sale, you get it at about $6.99 at Best Buy where I got it. But if you go to Walmart.com, you can get it cheaper than that. Sometimes you get a kit $620, $630, stuff like that. And my D D3100 over there. That's my my D3100 over there in the corner. I got that thing for about what, $500 back in the day. I think I got it in 2010. 2010 I got it in September, August, September, something like that. I actually think it came out in August, matter of fact. It's not on my fact check sheet, but I actually think it came out in August. That thing literally carried me over the years, like literally carried me as a photographer, literally carried me. So get you a camera, stick with it. If you don't like it, hurry up and take it back. Hurry up and take it back. Hurry up and take it back. Try it as much as you can and then hurry up and take it back if you don't like it. But if you do like it, stay with it for a while. Cameras don't die. Stay with them for a while. Like, this thing is still over here recording. I got it on autofocus. They told me Nikon D3100 can't autofocus. Chicka chicka. I hear him over here in the corner. Chicka chicka.
Roll one, blaze one, face one, every line dope, no 8 ball. Yeah.